guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here and there. So welcome back to my channel, guys, and today's vlog, it's another unboxing and it's another collaboration. And yeah, I have here a Jellyfish mood lamp. It's a Jellyfish mood lamp, and let's see and find out what are the details. So updates, and we'll be back in a few seconds. So stay tuned and bear with me because we're gonna unbox this together. Okay, so yeah, I love fake aquarium. I'm so obsessed with sea creatures, and it makes me relax and calm down. And I'm into like decorations and decor, like indoor and outdoor of the house. So this is really perfect for me because it's a jellyfish and mood lamp. I have one before, but that was back in California. I have a big jellyfish aquarium, and whenever I have guests or visitors or friends that come and drop by at the house, and they would really think it was real. So yeah, so much from that, and let's open this together because our vlog today is unboxing, and it's collaboration and it's a review. So let's open this together. It's right there, as you can see. It's Jellyfish mood lamp, and let's open this together. And don't you worry, I'm gonna put the link on my description, and if you guys are interested and would like to purchase this one, I'm gonna put the link down in my description, and so that if you guys would love to have this one, then you better check it out on my link. Okay, so yeah, there you go. And I love their packaging is black, and this one right there, it's perfect for a gift to your friends or any occasions, and family and friends. You can give this as a gift. So this is it, and this is the part of the mood lamp. Jellyfish is right there. And what are the inclusions? Of course, this one, and it has also the jellyfish that would really swim into here. But before that, we have to put water. You have to fill the water in this little aquarium, shall I say. So yeah, it has here, let me put right here, and it has this one, a little stick that would, if the jellyfish would really stuck inside the water, or maybe they're tangled from each other, you can use this fake plastic stick. You could try to solve the tangled part of the jellyfish. You can do like that. Okay, so it has here, and it's a little cute fish. And the jellyfish is open. So I think this one has like four. It has 4 jellyfish right there. Oh no, it has, yeah, it has 4. 2 pink one and 2 blue one. It's right there. And yeah, I think they're tangled. I have to be careful on this one. So the blue one and this pink one right there. As you can see, and this is the blue one. So it has like, and 2 fish. Cute. There you go. That's it. And the other one. Go. So it has like two big jellyfish and two pink one. Okay, so see, and it has a wire in it that you can plug. Yeah. So it has a wire, and this is the wire, and you can just plug it here very easy right there. And it's the bottom part. It has where you can open this part here. Use AAA battery. You can also use battery up front instead of like so. And here you can fill in the water right there, and later we'll fill it with water. Okay, and I'll take a video once it's on. So yeah, and super love this one. So it has at the back part of this at the backs of this mode jellyfish mode lamp. It has procedures and instructions and what are to do. So it has step 1, you have to add detergent and open the cover, of course. And step 2, turn on the connecting USB cable and wait for 30 seconds so that the detergent dissolves evenly in water. And step 3, take the jellyfish out of the plastic and put into the water and use a stick to press the jellyfish to release the bubbles, if any, in jellyfish cap. And step 4, clear the surface of the product, turn on the switch and enjoy the show. And step 5, when you turn on the left side of the button of the light color will change automatically. The right side button is the light option. You can choose the color you like. So it's very easy. Note, this product must be placed in a flat object when viewed or operated. Water or water droplets are strictly prohibited to infiltrate into the product base or its DC outlet outside the base. Do not attempt to separate the container from the base. Yeah, do not separate this. Do not add them. And the operating voltage is 5 volts. So please do not use adapters to operate beyond this voltage in case of burning. So yeah, that's it, and very nice. So later on the next of this video, you will see the show of this jellyfish mood lamp. It's not, yeah, I think there were 2 fishes here, and they're so cute, and you'll find out the show later. So maybe a few minutes for a show for this jellyfish, and you know, it's pretty amazing. I'm always fascinated with this jellyfish because I have one this before, and also have one at home in California. We're super love it, and my other half we really enjoyed, and they're my pet, like the jellyfish. Yeah, so I think that's it, and you better stay tuned, and the next of my video would be the show of this jellyfish. So I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers for supporting me, and don't you worry, I'm gonna put the link in my description, and you better check it out, and if you're interested you can purchase it. And yeah, this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you bye for now, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.